Welcome to Spring LIB.
For the part A of the problem, we are asked to find the beta. We can find the beta by writing equation MC is equal to mv divided by square root of 1 minus v square over c square. This leads us to the beta to be 1 over square root of 2, which is 0.707. And as we know, beta is equal to v divided by c, which is a speed parameter. Substituting the value for a beta, we can write a gamma to be 1 over square root of 1 minus 1 over 2. This will give us square root of 2, which is approximately 1.41. Then we can find k over E naught ratio for the part C by finding a kinetic energy, that is k is equal to gamma minus 1 rest mass, which is mc squared. Gamma we obtain is square root of 2 minus 1 times mc squared. This gives us 0.414 mc squared, which is equal to 0.414 times E naught. And then from here we can find the ratio k over E naught will be simply 0.414.